Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi tran.
Mami mo bibia kwa ba Enfambra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frame adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Ghana fo ena omo aso de esi sofo Owusu Bempah ne so no omo ekire se sofo Owusu Bempah ankasa eraya ye wo mi chese ankafe na Ghana fo ebe ginedi afe na Ghana fo ebe kasa ampa sofo Owusu Bempah nyame nipa ena sofo Owusu Bempah na ankasa ankafe ena ode be hwehwa no ho se Ghana fo manka nkyere mo enso ende sofo Owusu Bempah aye din despite nsem esisi wo Ghana ha no nyina no ntime nkasa because oka say ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the president no enkane na ye flag bearer de ma NDC amayoku no Reverend Owusu Bempah ebeka say Ghana fo ye nim na say ye sanso ede His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba de ebehu wo Ghana ha ne chese ye hu bida because papa na ne nsa hu wo moja chese ye insu antawia mbo NPP 4 year Reverend Owusu Bempah danyo o se ye yakopon asesa na dwen say or the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne boni ache nto me ye president hey papa now you see sofo Owusu Bempah indeed do nyame ni pampa pe what is happening no o ye nyame ni pampa whatever you said na ye no kre whatever you said in the past no was the truth. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president from 2012 to 2016 in same esisi wo krom ya kese osanso be president oba ya na mofra 20 something konya accident ewu plane crash esi kejetia market na ahye makola market na ahye say enhema kese nkwa na esisi nso sofo Owusu Bempah won tin nkembe because of eja ubia you think say NPP for your wad na eye wo ya nti no ye na ye NPP for ya show how na mane o de abeto Ghana force ebusanfo yentie ensema omode tuja
se Mahama woswe na we yes na bibia babasa Owusu Bempah o video anko betimi de twitwa age ne ho pa o Owusu Bempah o video a o betimi de twitwa age ne ho pa aka se me kan na abam but one say no was Mahama nyanko na kuma papa nti nyanko pon so o me president ti no ontimi nyu su sa video no ensem anko akeka o anka esisi ne ka ampo Owusu Bempah kan yo se Mahama ba accident be ba na ewu be ba na basa ba say nan kan amafo ba onu ankasa ba bonten se na kuma papa nti nyanko pon so onye president et ontimi mfa sa video ni defend ne ho sa video wi
Se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi tran Ghana mo pa mo date nto I'm telling you say bibia si o man we say mu a I'm surprised say nipatimi yes ade no nyankopon bu afu enu nti onyankopon bu fu so onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet obi apon didi matama don mai onyankopon say Samuel and is na there be who plead for Saul free Saul the political party no because man reject no neko David in chain neko kwa anoint ne ye king because ono na machusu no enti onyame timi reject king and president emo onyame say choose another king and as a president
has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa ho.
Why? How?
So owo spiritual eye na se obeka no kra ohu clouds a ewo Ghana ha no mo a obi face ehye clouds no a ehye tears nti punishment bi a awse to man bi so ana o man so enam obi nti wa man angels at the bowl aso ena omu de asi nchen say ye hwan ye o se Ghana fo nim no mu san ma John Mama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi tran Ghana mo pa mo date nto
what you say etinka tama helicopter konya accident ewu osisie bone bi on sa no ma no ko Owusu Bempah ene ne boys no be isu sa video wi aka se papa kan yo papa kan se motuma ama papa kan but because say na kuma papa ntimo abaye president ni ti no video we no so muntimi mo mob sa video we na mo fanka se papa nkom sha abem muntimi mo enso nka mo papa no obesi so no problems e kom ya nka muntimi de charge mo ho pa o amanko fo Owusu Bempah nkom se ne ba mu ba isi na kuma ba penti e wo so ye president ti asema wo kan we no e da bontin ba untimi nyusu emfa ntwanye wo ho se mahama ba ye problems bi asini zende na ye Owusu Bempah nkom se bi a o hye ni mire bi atwam e na abai untimi nyusu because na kuma pa penti or ye president it is a video we da bontin but omo ankasa entimi mo platform so da obo ya ere o example bo bon ze yemfa yere obi ana kuma pa ma obe president e moja won san ho osu funa da kan le bi na agigi ho ahwan na de e class ni mu motiata ta mu na de so moja ontimi mo etinko Owusu Bempah nkom hye komitim de achi omo ho pa so Owusu Bempah nkom hye abem but because of the omo
we kra ma woni obi apa sa
omuntimi mo ushafo
seven predia sami je mfi nkwa na wa ye eyi MPP for akọ there be I didn't tell sami je mfi nkwa eyi ni the people were abroad with it. Why were people angry? Catch me, I didn't hear. Because of what that boy did to your party. And until some of you know, somebody amoba kwa koho akoshewe kodidi. Ne nunti de bi amoba sing sa be fu akoda no, sa be bro sam sami dem fio trofuna o tete nanado no mama mumu bi chance ma mutumi be ye nipa. Enya nanado epeja musi baby a na mumu bi ka akura mu ntena mu da. And na mu 2-3 cars. The man who made it possible to do that is being bastardized and vilified by a stupid idiot like Sami Jenfi. And you are tight with him, all in the name of, oh, now we were friends. Politics is not about, politics is about fight. In fact, then crass is a free ho. Send crass is some MP before moon crass is some by force unity. By force, we are the clean politicians. Shut the fuck up, you guys are not clean. Muye clean and kakene di Japan baka say, oh, sabi 21 me di asamba ba and kebu na man kasa sabi and kebu jani. Train the tata motoa and can say we know what to make an kasa no. Ufasa mun crass na chumnin free ho. I'm an MPP people and I will tell you anytime. I don't give a fuck if you people agree with me or not. Ebe ya mo betre V8 mo akoye ni ya ba Uber na ya fo NDC for drivers na be fayen ya ko bunye so amukura ya na mo be ba betena mo kwasie condition mo asere yen wicked former appointees, demonic former appointees who came not to work but to destroy more. I'm on your tail. I'm on your tail. Don't take me for joke. Because very soon, me do picture to an afa. No, I bet you brow to me body buana nado, I wanna bam. But na radio so kasa. And this ni so moi. And I try and confirm we almost say only evidence you. Oh my ya confirm I say yeah. Now Obi Aba and yeah my MPP in this. Patro Honorable Kasa. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Me pese minuan NDC in the TRCS. Politics and yentokwa. John Mahama, or a fine gentleman. Sabi Obi, say ya membua, and non chesses say ya kun ya hontokwa. Na asemno ya me pese mekanini. Nanado ba ye no. Or no, o defend nanado no. Enya bibia na oye I mean correct. Nanso ena moma ba mu. Inti ya besre mo se mo behu ya mobo na maye adwuma no na Obi also to me kasa Obi when mama ya confirm ya kwasiampa we yeah. Na say aba honorable so. Obi Yeah, yet you are no more than dear. It's just a film. Obi and the equia for yin tuaomo. A nurse for yin tuaomo. Obi na me dear yame yane say, Edian area. NDC for enche goodwill nebeko. Or the sound was see a communication we could win near the election. Ye come on pay. You crone down na yen why nim na ye mia yen fa sebe to pa ye mum na miano daddy. Now I'm NDC ni kwakubu ahia on fa sebe paper kura ko studio da wa ke kan kwasa sem de gu so honorable abotai obi aro petna na yesu ni ko. You're better quicken up, man. Because you see, kede bodan for no eguso ba. Me tie ni amani bia ekoswa. Ni eguso ba. Sometimes I try so hard, Sir Marcus, to restrain myself. I try so hard.